The type of infill used on your project is specific to the chosen application. In this case, there will be both kids and pets using the grass, so we went with a 50% PureZEO and 50% Envirofill infill. We're putting in the PureZEO first as a deodorizing layer and capping it with Envirofill. Place a bag in your wheelbarrow and slice the bottom open with your X-Acto knife. You can infill the bulk of your grass with a drop spreader, but always have a grain shovel for filling the edges and corners of your grass. With a nice even load of infill, hold the shovel so that the head is level to the ground and move in a backward swooping motion, dropping a consistent amount of infill with each pass. This technique takes some practice, but once you dial it in, you can infill smaller projects this way. If you choose to do so, always keep level scoops and be sure that the right side of your shovel is dropping the same amount of infill as the left side of your shovel. Holding it crooked can cause unwanted bumps in your finished surface. There's more finesse to it than just throwing sand on the grass. You want to work in straight lines and be sure to get total coverage across the entire grass surface. With experience, you'll have the infill falling out of your shovel just like a drop spreader would have dropped it. A drop spreader with an adjustable spread rate is your sure bet for a consistent infill layer. Stay away from the rotary spreaders. You want a nice even drop out the bottom. Shown here, we're dropping around 1 pound of PureZEO per square foot of grass. Be sure to keep your speed consistent throughout and fill any areas not reachable by the drop spreader by hand once you're finished. The second layer of infill in this project will consist of 1 pound of Envirofill dropped per square foot of grass. This is part of the Bellaturf pet system and is proven to eliminate most pet odors. The green color of Envirofill makes it a beautiful choice. However, pay close attention to your rows with the spreader as it disappears visually into the grass as you drop it. Consistency is key with your infill layer. The smoother you spread it, the smoother your surface will feel underfoot once it's all broomed in.